Hi guys, Dan the Mountain Man here. And for this week's cooking video, I'm not doing any cooking because I'm on the road. But this is a quick healthy snack idea for you when you're on the road. So, it's really easy. Just get you some of your favorite fruit. I got apples because they work best for this, and I like apples. So, and yeah, get your favorite peanut butter. I got Jif. I also like Peter Pan, but so we'll give this a try. All what you do is you just open up your, and you can get from grocery store. You can get your fruit already cut up. A lot of grocery stores do that in the produce department. Come in a little container. Just pick out your favorite fruit that you want. So we'll just open this up here, and you can either give you a little plastic knife. A lot of hotels actually give you a plastic knife, or you can just take the fruit and dip it right on in here. Do it like that. If you want, you can just spray it on here. Spread it on your fruit. Yep. Okay guys, I know this wasn't much of a video, but this is just give you a little healthy snack idea when you're on the road, or even when you're at the house. But just remember, you eat healthy and be good for you. Okay guys, well, take time to comment below, and also enjoy the day the Lord has given you. I'll see you on the next video, and well, I'm gonna finish up my little snack here and continue my vacation.